I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove the Sent from my iPhone or iPad message from email messages you send on your Apple device. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Have you ever noticed that little Sent from my iPhone or iPad signature at the bottom of your emails and wondered if you can make that go away? Today, I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or customize that email signature, giving your messages a personal touch. Now let's walk through the steps to remove the Sent from my iPhone or iPad message from email messages you send on your Apple device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll land on the Settings screen. Step 2. Scroll down this menu until you see Mail and then tap Mail. The Mail screen is shown. Step 3. Scroll down to the Composing section and then click Signature. The signature screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap anywhere on the Sent from my iPhone text to make it editable, and then change your signature to whatever you want to be displayed at the end of email messages you send from your iPhone or iPad. That change will be applied immediately and visible at the end of any email messages you send. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.